welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Michaelonuorah, as you all know. And guys, I've been seeing your comments and been seeing your comments. I've been seeing everything, guys. Something that you have to understand, I always say this, is that those videos are not meant for everybody, and I say those things not for you to agree, and it's very okay if you don't agree with it. So I have no issue with that, right? I have no issue with that. And guys thinking that I am posting this probably because of I hate stop loss, or because of no, it's not that. I have my trading history, or have my trading track record in the link in the description on that video. You can go and check it, and you can see that I am not having issues in the market to post it. So basically, today's video is going to be a very interesting video. I guess I'm going to be walking you guys through my portfolio on how I lost my biggest loss in the forex market, right? My biggest loss in the forex market, and my biggest loss in the forex market was, it's quite, I don't know, it could be relative, could be small for people, and it could be large for people as well. I lost this money because of two reasons, which was consuming information, right, from external sources, and the second reason was comparing myself with other traders, right? And that is the main reason of this video. Like, I want to pass this message, I want to use myself as an example to pass this message to you guys. And this was a personal funds account. It was not a prop firm account, so it was like $10,000 in that account. It was real $10,000, right, in that account, as you can see here. So guys, here is the portfolio. And you can see it's not a fake account. This is a real account, and I used hot forex broker was used, leverage of 1 to 500, and it was on a MetaTrader 4 account or trading platform. Now this was the general loss of the account. Like, guys, I didn't blow the account, mind you. I didn't blow the account. What happened was, when I lost up to 20% of my account, then the whole money then was being withdrawn, because that was the best thing for me to do then. Like, withdrawing the money then was just the best. And I advise you guys, and I advise you also, if you're trading a personal account and it's quite a large figure, right, and you've lost more than 20% of that money, it's advisable, right, you withdraw either almost half of the whole money, or you withdraw everything and keep somewhere, and reevaluate your trading style, reevaluate how you trade in general, right, before you get back to that trading. I kept on trading this account later on, but it was not in that period of time, because chances were that I was going to lose a lot of this money and lose like possibly 50% of the account, or might even blow the whole account. Then probably it comes to my head, then, oh, this is what I could have done better and stuff like that. So when you're in that loop, or when you're in that deep mess, it's advisable you withdraw your money, right, so that you could be seeing it. So this was what happened. The highest I got to was 10,315. These are the figures. This happened in October 26th, right, 26th of October, and I think this was in 2021. And this happened in 26th of October, and you can see here 10,315. This was the first trade I took, and my loss, so I generally lost $2,112.38. This was what I lost in general. Then interest, the commissions plus $20 and stuff like that. Now guys, here you can see the withdrawals. I withdrew the remaining money in that account, which was 7,572. And if you can notice, the curve was like this from October 12th. I moved and I kind of grew my account to, I think, okay, that 3% was a floating profit. Actually, it was a floating profit. I didn't close it with 3%. It was a floating profit. You can see here. Then I started losing. You can notice I lost from 0.26% to 0.289. This was when I lost 2.5%. Then I kept on with that energy, 2.5, tried growing it up back, and you can see what now started happening. And I took 111 trades in this whole trading period. And let me tell you how the whole stuff started. You can see gold. I closed it. You can see gold here. Yeah, this was the whole gold trade. I closed gold with. This was when I closed gold with about 3%. Yes, I closed gold with about 3%. Yeah, I don't know why it's not showing here that the growth was up to 3%. I don't know why, because gold was my first trade and it was the profitable trade. And you can see I started having minor losses. Then there was a period I started having minor losses. Then you can see GBP AUD. If I'm losing GBP AUD, I'm losing more. Like large number 164. That's 1.64, 1.2, about 2%. Then with time, I traded GBP AUD most in this trading trading time. And guys, what I'm trying to show you guys is I had wins though. I had good wins. You can see in GBY I had $324 win and stuff like that. I want to really show you guys when I started having big losses. You can see, yeah, AUD JPY. Oh my god. Do you know what funny thing, guys? I can still remember how these losses happened. You can see, for me losing 1 point something and 1.2%, 1.3% per trade, I started losing 4% in one trade. I started losing 2.3% in one trade. I started losing 2.5% in one trade. You can see this series of losses, and this series of losses kept me going down and down and down. Now this was because I was trying to compare myself with another person. This was because I was trying to change what I believed was true, right? Because I saw someone doing something else. It really happens. It happens a lot in the market. A lot of people do this in the market, right? If you're not getting that experience of you just fixing to what you know and what you know works for you well, regardless any other person's opinion or any other person's strategy. I think that is the foregoal of everything. Because if I stuck to risking my 1% there, even if I had series of losses, it won't be close to 20%. Like it won't be close to 10%, because by then I might be even leveling up and stuff like that. And yeah, this was how it was, and I kept on losing. Okay, so if you notice, I was making small wins and more losses. And this was very unprofitable for my liking. I hated what I was doing here, because it was not about the strategy in general. It was just all about the mind, the psychology, right? Then I was just trying to, I could not hold wins for a long period of time because I was scared they were going to reverse on me and stuff like that. All these things were just happening, and I was like looking at myself and didn't know what was happening, right? Guys, you can see here, okay, this is what I'm just trying to tell you. My loading month was October, and it was just 2.8%. That was 3%. I felt like I was doing nonsense, because why would I be doing that? But you can see 2% and 17%. Can you imagine if I was losing only 3%? How many months will it take me to lose up to 17%? And I think I will not have a profitable month in 1 month. No. So guys, I'm showing you guys this bad part of trading. Because a lot of people show all their wins and stuff like that. I'm showing you guys this bad part of trading, how I lost this amount of money and the things I did, right? And the reason why I lost this amount of money, right? And you can see this is real money, this is live money, right? A lot of money. And even in my currency, changing out to Naira, it's a lot of money that was lost during then. And and losing that amount of money at that young age was really a very big thing in my life then. So this is what I did then, and it's not about being profitable, it's not about having a good strategy. I always say it is your mind, is in what you do, is how you look at the market, it's how you perceive the market, it's how you stick to what you know works for you, right? It's how you shut down the noise, it's how you shut down the noise, right? Don't allow it to enter your head, because if you notice, I started very well, but I got to understand that I was risking so low, I had to up my risks, and now I upped my risks. I could not handle losing trades, I could not handle these trades well, I could not handle these positions going and hitting SL or floating large losses, right? I could not handle all this, and this was very bad. So guys, the essence of this video is for you to learn two things. Never compare yourself with another trader. Every trader has their own temperament, have their own behaviors, and you should find yours, right? You should find your own behavior, you should find your own temperament in the market, and stick to that. Don't compare yourself with others. Don't consume information that you don't even need to consume, because it could actually mess up your results. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.